In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change or set up hotkeys in OBS Studio. Hotkeys are a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and make your live streams or recordings smoother and more professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to customize your hotkey setup, so with just a quick keystroke, you can control scenes, sources, and so much more. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open OBS Studio on your computer. If you've never used OBS before, don't worry. The interface can seem busy at first, but you'll get comfortable quickly. Just double-click the OBS icon on your desktop or find it in your list of programs and let it launch. Sometimes it takes a few moments to load, especially if you have a lot of scenes or sources set up already. Once you're in, you should see the main OBS dashboard with all your usual panels and controls. Now, here's where we start making changes. Look up at the top left corner of the OBS window. You'll see a menu bar with File right there. Give File a click, and from the drop-down list, choose Settings. This is your gateway to all the customization features OBS offers. The Settings window may pop up in the center of the screen, so if you have multiple monitors or lots of windows open, just make sure it's in focus. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see a sidebar on the left with several different categories. Go ahead and select the Hotkeys option. The Hotkeys tab is where the magic happens. Here, OBS lists nearly every action you can perform, switching scenes, toggling sources, starting and stopping streams or recordings, and even more advanced functions. You'll notice there are a lot of possibilities, so don't feel overwhelmed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the list. Now, to customize a hotkey, simply find the action you want to assign a shortcut to. For instance, maybe you want a key that instantly switches you from your intro scene to your main camera. You'll see empty input boxes next to each item. To change or set a hotkey, just click inside the relevant box and press the key combination you'd like to use. This could be something simple like Ctrl+Shift+1, or any combination that feels comfortable and memorable for you. If OBS warns you about conflicts or overlapping hotkeys, that just means another action is using those same keys. Try tweaking your shortcuts to be unique, so you don't accidentally trigger the wrong thing in the middle of a stream. Let me pause for a second. If you ever aren't sure what to assign, think about your workflow. For example, if you frequently mute your microphone, set that on a key right next to your fingers. If you have lots of scenes, try using the number keys for quick switching. A good hotkey setup can save you from scrambling with the mouse or clicking through menus, especially if you're on camera or need to react quickly to something live. Once you've finished setting your hotkeys, look down at the bottom right corner of the settings window and click Apply. This locks in all the changes you just made. Then hit OK to exit settings and go back to the main OBS screen. Don't worry if you need to adjust your hotkeys later. Just repeat these steps whenever you want to tweak things. And there you have it. You've set up custom hotkeys in OBS Studio in just a few easy steps. This little bit of setup goes a long way toward making your recording or streaming process smoother and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Or share your favorite hotkey setups. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and thanks again for watching.